Hey, what's up guys? My name is Bryce, and today we're going to be reviewing the First Alert 2-in-1 smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. And this is their second generation alarm that comes with a Z-Wave Plus technology, and that's going to integrate right in with your Ring home security system. And so I have the Ring home security system, and if you're like me, I'm wondering, well, how do you set it up? Does it integrate in with the app, and can I manage it from the app? When this alarm's going off, does it set the main alarm off and alert the authorities if you have the monitoring? So I'm going to open up the box and kind of see what's inside and set it up and hopefully answer some of those questions for you. And hey, by the way, if you like these types of review videos and you like any kind of new smart home devices or security devices coming out, then please consider subscribing to our channel and hit that little bell notification icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming content. All right, let's get into the video. Before we open the box, just want to point out that this is battery operated, it's not wired. It's the 2-in-1 smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. It has the photoelectric sensor in it. So on the back here, it's going to just kind of talk you through what the differences are between a photoelectric sensor versus an ionization sensor. So you can Google that if you have any questions, but let's just open up the box here, see what's inside. Okay, so got some screws and anchors, manual, comes with 2 Duracell AA batteries, and you have this little card in here with the QR code, so maybe we'll need that for setup. We'll check that out in just a second. Then you have the main alarm here, so it's gonna have this bracket on here. As you twist it off, you'll see it has some locations here for mounting, depending if you're mounting into a box that you have, like an electrical box, but that's usually for the wired ones, which this isn't wired, so you don't need a box behind it. You can just screw it right on the wall anywhere you want it. Okay, as far as where you install these, just want to highlight that this is a smoke alarm, and typically you'll install smoke alarms up on the ceiling, and smoke's going to rise and hit that sensor in here. However, it is a carbon monoxide alarm, and you want to check your local building codes because carbon monoxide is a little bit heavier than air, and so some codes will want these mounted kind of a little bit higher up on a wall versus on the ceiling. But just check your codes and kind of know that in advance before you go and put some screws in your wall or ceiling with the bracket. So okay, and it has a little pull tab here, and that's where you install the batteries. So let's get those in there real quick. Okay, those are in there nice and secured. Where to install, let's see, instructions, weekly, let's see. All right, nowhere in the instructions did it say how to set it up in with the Ring alarm. So I'm going right here into the Ring app itself, and I went into set up a device. You'll see here that alarms is an option, so I'm gonna press on that. And you wanna choose the one that says second gen. This is the second generation alarm. And then we're just gonna say that we are ready. Now it wants us to scan the QR code. So on the back here, here's a QR code, let's scan that. Okay, and we'll say use this code. All right, it says slide open the tray, insert the batteries and push the tray. So we've already got the batteries in. Now it says preparing to add device. Okay, it says device added, tap here to set it up. So which room would you like to set it up in? And we're just gonna say we're in the basement. Okay, and then we just assign it a name. Okay, success, your alarm's ready to use. We'll say done, go to dashboard, devices, and alarm base station. Okay, and there we see it right there. It says storage room, says it's cleared. As we go in there, it shows you the battery status. You can go into event history. You can show where I edited it just during the setup. So now let's just see what happens when we set this baby off. Okay, so nothing happened when I did the test on it. All right, so I just got off the phone with the Ring technical support. He had me go through and just hold the button down and do a test like we did a second ago, and he was able to detect and register on his end that the test was working and it was communicating with the Ring alarm just fine. And so I asked him why there was no notification on the app or any indication that it was going off. But what I was informed is that this is smart enough to know that it was a test that was going off, whereas he said if there was an actual either a fire and so it detected smoke or carbon monoxide through the sensor, then it would communicate that signal to the Ring alarm, and then the whole Ring alarm would go off where your base station and keypad and everything's flashing, and the alarm's going off. And for those of you who have the Ring alarm, you actually get the phone call from Ring where they check in on you just to make sure that everything's okay and that it's not just, you know, false alarm from cooking some bacon or something. But so it's good to know, and it's peace of mind just knowing that you know, if this thing goes off at all, it's gonna notify me on the app, and I'll get that phone call. So it's pretty cool that they've got that option now that you can get a number of these, you know, throughout your house. Maybe you already have smoke detectors and you're looking for a good carbon monoxide detector for each of your floors that also ties into your Ring alarm. It's a really good option to have, you know, these now that they have the Z-Wave Plus technology on these first alert alarms. So pretty happy with that. All right, there we go. Now it's all set up and ready to go. And if that baby goes off, doesn't matter if I'm here at home or somewhere else, my Ring alarm is going to notify me. And so it's just peace of mind knowing that if you're away from home and something goes off, or if it's in the middle of the night and this is going off downstairs and it's now hooked up to the Ring alarm system, so it's gonna make the whole alarm off and wake the whole house up if there's danger. So pretty happy with that. All right guys, so that's pretty much it. Please leave us some comments. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the upcoming review videos that we have on other cool new devices coming out. So that's it from Two Nerdy Families, and we'll see you next time.